Hey guys, welcome. It's a girl Juliana Empire Official, and I'm back with the next video, guys. So today I'll be doing an unboxing video. So if it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome and thank you so much for being here. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. So I'm not sure what's in this box as yet, what's in here. So I just went to collect these packages, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut this tape. So first one, let me see what's in here. Gonna rip the seal open to see what's in here. Okay, so this is an acne face cream. So there you go, acne face cream. So can't wait to start using this. So let's put that aside. So this is the next one, the keto gummies. Can't wait to start taking these. There you go, keto gummies. So let me put that there. So for the big one, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these open. So far we opened 2 packages, so this is gonna be the third one. What's this? Oh, this is something to massage your tummy area. So this is the third one. Oh, I'm loving it. There you go. See? So this is a body massager. Can't wait to try this out. Yes, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. Bye guys, have a wonderful day, and I will definitely leave the link down in the description box.